Can your pressure washer survive a full workday? If your machine overheats, loses power, or breaks down too soon, it is not just a cleaning problem. It is costing your business time, money, and customers. That is why BISON developed the permanent magnet inverter Hypersure washer, a lighter, stronger, and more efficient solution built for commercial cleaning and B2B wholesale. With advanced inverter technology, a pure copper motor, and a high-pressure pump, it delivers powerful water flow of 11 to 13 liters per minute, while supporting long-hour operation with better heat control. Compared with traditional machines, BISON is designed to be lighter, more durable, and easier to operate, helping reduce maintenance costs and improve your profit margin. Whether you serve property management, auto detailing, equipment rental, or wholesale distribution, this machine is built to work longer and help you sell smarter. Click the link below to contact the BISON factory directly on WhatsApp and get your B2B factory quote today.